So not sure which big Thomas Kiddie, right? I'm gonna put on my new camcorder, by the way. So yeah. I know I've filmed this already, but I just want to film this one again. By the way. Yeah, I have turned the volume down a little bit because it was quite loud somehow.
You have to add more coins. You have to add more coins. You have to add more coins. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You have to add more coins. Thank you. You have to add more coins. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. When you're ready, press the start button. Thank you, thank you. When you're ready, press the start button. Thank you. When you're ready, press the start button.
Yeah. Yes.
You're a really useful engine. I need you to help the other engines.
It's just going off. Remember Ultimate Show in 1994? After that, British Half Times Limited. Yeah.
You're a really useful engine. I need you to help the other engines.
They all ran the order, to be honest. I don't know why the light's not flashing. But never mind. Gonna abandon the mood over here. Somehow.
I need you to help the other engines. You're a really useful engine.
Yeah, I remember it used to be over there, but then they moved it here. I don't know why. I wish I knew why they moved it. Oh.
When you're ready, press the start button. Hold on tight, here we go.
Second right.
You're a really useful engine.
Oh.
I need you to help the other engines.
Yeah, Thomas, turn your volume down a little bit. You know everyone can hear you. I don't fully understand why the light's still not flashing, to be honest. It should be flashing, to be honest. Yeah, this one's quite loud. Somehow.
Useful engine. I need you to help the other engines.
What about that? I'll give it a big tap to the lights. No, nothing. It's refusing to flash for some reason. I feel like the lights bulb has gone out, unfortunately, for some weird reason. Oh.
When you're ready, press the start button.
Already?
Hold on tight, here we go.
Last right.
You're a really useful engine. I need you to help the other engines.
There's a Jeep over there. I might film that next time, by the way. I'm actually not going to film it, to be honest, on my camcorder. Maybe next time. I'll have a chance. Let's go have a chat map, by the way. Yeah, that one's quite loud on. That one is actually quite loud on this, to be honest. I don't know how loud it is.
You're a really useful engine. You're a really useful engine. I need you to help the other engines. You're a really useful engine.
Yeah.
Thanks for riding with us. Come back soon.
And that was the Archbishop Big Thomas the Tank Kiddie, right? I filmed it on the camcorder, by the way.